Look at this. Got a new tool today. The tool only. 24-15-20. It's a 90-degree 3/8 right angle drill. This is, well, I'll show you it first. Obviously a Milwaukee, right? It uses all the same batteries as the other Milwaukee stuff I have. Here's the battery right here. And you just slide it in. You got the switch here to go forward and reverse. Oh, speed. Okay, that's why it was going slow. Oh, look, you can do it on. So let's see if I put on drill. But that's the going. Here's forward. Okay. And I guess you could crank down this. Huh. Okay. You put on 2, you could hear that it spools up slower. I don't know how fast it's going, but if you put on drill and squeeze it right away. All right, that's cool. I like that. Here's my old one. I'll show you why I'm replacing it. This is my old 19.2 volts Craftsman. It would use one of these batteries. I don't know what the heck happened here, but it's all melted. You probably see better there. I don't know what happened. I have no idea. I don't remember anything melting or smelling or anything. So this thing still works. It still works fine. It's just that the battery is pain in the neck to get in and out. I don't know if it's any better than the other one. You can see the size difference. There's a little bit of a size. Well, really, maybe just the battery. So it's about the same size as the head. Let's see, the head. The Milwaukee's a little bit smaller. I think it feels lighter. But I realized when I went to use this on a project that I wanted to get a new one. So here we go. I got this new Milwaukee. Well, when I use it, I'll let you know how it works. But rare occasions you need a 90-degree. So I think I'm gonna have. I'll when I need to use it. This way I have it. Getting some little spot. But that's gonna be a good addition to my tools. And this one I'm just gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I hate throwing away tools that still work. So, but with this thing melted here, I don't know. Maybe I'll put it on eBay and sell it for whatever I get for it. But I'm slowly trying to get rid of all these. I mean, these are old. These my Craftsman stuff. The only other Craftsman I have left of the old style is my Impact. So, and this Impact will probably go away soon. The rest, everything else is Craftsman with this battery here. So I have Craftsman and Milwaukee. I got the little Milwaukee screwdriver deal. Same batteries again, just like with the ratchets. Anyway, a little short video. My new tool I got. Thanks for watching. See you guys.